Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you Half Chance Romance to the song Dance Her Home. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like, share, leave me any comments below, and hit that subscribe button. The weight is on your left. You're going to step forward but kind of cross at the same time. 1, and you're going to hold. Step left, hold. Then 4 hip sways. But as you step out, right, left. Let me show that to you from the side. Weight on your left. You're going to step forward, hold, step forward, hold, and then the hips. Right, left, right, left. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna dance her home. Now you're going to the side, also known as a chassé, which is side together, side. You're gonna rock back left, recover right. Then you're gonna do 2 quarter turns to the right for a total of a half. So you're gonna step back with your left, keep going to the right, crossing shuffle with your left. Over, step, over. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right up when the DJ played a little George Jones. Remember that you're crossed over because you did that quarter crossing shuffle. You're going to do a modified Roomba box with shuffles. So weight on your left, you're going to step side together, take the weight left, shuffle back right, back together, back. Then you're going to step left to the side, step right, forward shuffle, forward together, forward. Let me show that to you from the back so you can see my feet much better. Remember that weight was on your left because you're crossed over. You're going to step side together, shuffle back, side together, shuffle forward. Let's do that by the counts. I'm going to show you on the correct wall. Weight is on your left. Remember your crossover. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 'Cause if we got to two-step and we could come missing and find a corner booth alone. So remember, it's a 2-wall dance. So I'll go ahead and show you on the correct wall, and then I'll show you from the side so you can see my feet much better. So remember that weight was on your left because you shuffled forward left. You're going to rock right, recover left. You're going to turn to the right half, shuffle forward right. Right together, right. Then you're going to rock forward left, recover right, and you're going to turn half, shuffle forward left. Show that to you from the side. Your weight is on your left. You're going to rock forward right, recover left, shuffle forward right at a half, forward together, forward, rock forward left, recover right, half to your left, shuffle forward left, forward together, forward. Let me show that to you by the count on the correct wall. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. If she gives me half a chance at romance, I'm gonna dance her home. Whole dance by the counts. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Thanks for watching. See you next dance.